Mm. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Mm. All right. So let's see if they buy this area, or if this is just going to be one of those days when the market just sells off because of FOMC. You know, I hope not. Mm. Yeah, probably put it in. Hey, what's up, Alfred? What's up? I wonder if the market's going to recover, or if this is actually the sell-off for the market right here. Yeah, probably put. Oh shit, that's more than 10 points. What am I? I'm tripping. Probably like 20. Yeah, like 19, like 6 points. Yeah, hopefully it don't. Hopefully it don't. Hopefully it does not. I was wondering if it's going to come back into this area right here and bounce, but it's not looking like it. All right, so let's see. We'll see if they hold this area right here. But man, the NA meetings was from last night was definitely on point. Definitely on point for both the ES and the Nasdaq. We caught this drop right here on the ES, and we caught the pump and the jump. I mean, we caught both the pump and the drop on the Nasdaq, 380 for the drop, 290 to 275 for the entry. So we caught both ways on the Nasdaq. Happy about that. Yeah, this actually might just run through that on the Nasdaq actually. Mm, 147. There's like a 30-point drop right here, dude. That's a 30-point drop. So that 145 level, I mean, you took 2 points in drawdown. Obviously, I wasn't in front of my desk when this happened. I wish I was. I think what I'm gonna start doing. Uh, so I've been kind of debating about what I want to do with these zero payout accounts because I mean I'm still seeing people not getting paid out. So, but at the same time, I'm not gonna pass up on a dude. Anyway, I'm not going to pass up on a 150K account with a 5,000 static drawdown. I'm not going to pass that up. So I think what I'm going to do is actually just start setting limits in those and just really see how things play out. That's probably what I'm going to start doing with those accounts. Good morning, Seppuku. He had a 0 payouts. And they find the way that the way that people are talking in the Discord, they find any reason not to pay out. They go on your past and see like, yeah, on this trade, he closed it in 59 seconds instead of the 60. Denied. So, I mean, I'm not going to pass that up. Well, obviously I didn't. But we did catch that Bitcoin short last night. I'm happy about that trade. We caught this damn thing. I'm still in it. Actually, let me see. I think I'm still in this trade. Yeah, I'm still in this trade. I was thinking about adding to it, but I was experiencing some difficulties this morning. I think I can probably safely add to that. Probably like add like 2 or 3 more contracts to this. I probably like, yeah, 5. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, probably like add some more. Dude, I just added. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I forgot. All right. So yeah, I was able to I'm already up like what? I know U prop is gonna hate me because we caught that drop from the top. And I was already able to lock in about $2,200 last night of this drop on Bitcoin. And it looks like Bitcoin is probably going to keep dropping. Let me see real quick. Actually, I'll put a buy limit for a retest of this low. I'm only going to look for a retest of that low right there. So I can have this to continue to run. Or actually what I probably could do is I'll probably have 3 of these to come off right there. For a retest of that low just in case they bounce it. And probably put this at 36. Yeah. Yeah. Have a retest of that low. But yeah, you probably is gonna hate me. I'm just gonna trade Bitcoin in this account, and we're just gonna keep catching these shorts. Now, for whatever reason, last night I was going through YouTube and I saw this guy live streaming Bitcoin futures, and now I understand why Bitcoin just sells because that's all everybody does is buy the dip in Bitcoin. I don't know why. That's all everybody does is just buy the dip. Bitcoin is a bear's market. Buying the dip in Bitcoin is very dangerous. Hey, what's up, Mad Moxie? What's up? What's up? All right, so let's see. Let's see if I'm not gonna. Yeah, I wonder if we're gonna get actually what the hell hold on. Where's Smith at? Mm. Mm. Oh shit, it might actually come right here and dump. You actually might see it come right here and dump.
What you trading?
Bitcoin, ES, and Nasdaq. What's up, bro?
What up?
I was about to say, I was like, dude, I know you didn't stay up all night trading. I stayed up all night trading again.
I was dealing with my daughter.
Yeah. Hey, what are you looking at this for today, man?
Oh, I don't know yet.
Mm. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it like that, just in case. But I'm gonna see if we can get this long off this low. If not, then I'm gonna wait for that area that I was waiting for the other day. Um, yeah, I was telling everybody before the stream, like yesterday's NA meeting was on fire, dude. We caught both the top and the bottom on Nasdaq. So shit. If you went long in this area and went short in this area, you caught the bottom and you caught the top. So I was very proud of for the Nasdaq and the ES. We was looking at this area right here for them to somewhat come and sell, but that 145 level that we talked about last night, man, I wish I took it. I wish I was in front of my desk when this crap happened. And so I was telling everybody, I think that's actually what I'm gonna start using these zero payout accounts for. I think I'm just gonna just set the limits and just whatever happens happens.
Zero payout accounts. They're not paying out.
Shit, you know people still complaining about delayed payouts in that Discord. It's almost embarrassing, dude.
Really? I don't know why you still rocking with them. Did they renew at the price?
Yeah, they had this man.
Discount?
Yeah, they tried to say that they tried to charge my card and it declined. Shut up. You ain't try to do shit. Because if you did, you would have gave me my accounts at a. They just didn't want to give me those accounts at $190. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, they sent me the payment links to get them. So yeah, so right now that's what I'm trading in right now.
After them, what have they become?
Yeah, it's a shame to see such, which was once a good company, fall like that. And like I said, U Profit was my home for a very long time until Top Step changed its ways, and then Top Step became my home, and now MFF is my home now. As long as there's one prop firm that's for the people, I guess I'll call that my home. But yeah, so Smith sent me this the story yesterday. I'm gonna show it to you guys again for those that missed it last night. This guy, Top Step, he lost $1,200 in his live funded account over there at Top Step using their Top Step X platform. In his story, he said he put his stop loss in profit to only lose $1,000, and for whatever reason, not only did he not get his daily loss limit triggered, they filled him like literally at the bottom to where he lost over $11,000 of his live account. And now he's hoping for Top Step to fix that error. I think the only thing that Top Step would do is probably fix the daily loss limit, and that's it. Everything else is literally in their disclaimer that any platform issues, any glitches, they're not responsible for. I had to experience that personally myself when, for whatever reason, one of my orders got canceled and it didn't fill at my target. I don't know how it happened or why it happened, but because of it, uh, I lost $600 in one of my funded accounts, and it was the third or fourth day, and all I had was, after, if my target got hit, I would only have one more day. I hit up MFF and there was like blah blah blah, platform issues, glitches, blah blah blah. Even if you have the proof, they don't care. So I think the only thing that Top Step would do in this situation is just give him his daily loss limit back, and that's it. But we'll see what happens. I'll follow the story and see if he resolves it. What he should have did was not come out and put it on social media. I feel like when you do that and you say that, hey, Top Step is this and Top Step is that, and kind of talking shit, well, it's not going to make people want to help you. It's going to make people not want to help you. And so he should have just kept quiet about it. And what he should have did was, I had an issue with on the Top Step X platform, and I know that the Top Step team is going to help me resolve this. And that's all he should have said. That's all he should have said if he's going to make this public instead of what he did. So we'll see. We will see. I think MP did respond to it. He did respond. Yeah, he did say that this is what he said. He said that yeah, I see this message in our Slack from our guys. This morning we had an instance where one account was auto liquidated, didn't fire, blah blah blah. Yeah, so he kind of responded, but still, he should have said that I know the Top Step team is going to help me resolve this, versus the way that he did it. So we'll see if it works out for him. I bet you were saying something, bro.
No, I didn't know that dude responded.
Yeah, I went through all the comments, dude. you know. I mean, so far so good on this ES trade. I think I'm gonna probably put this right here instead of where I had it at, because the other day the ES hurt my feelings. I was like, "God, she's gonna go for VWAP. She's going for VWAP," and then she ain't do shit. She said, "Nope. Let me touch that stop first." 130. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Come on, ES. Anyway, let me stop watching her. Oh, we had somebody come in the stream last night talking about they trade silver. Her name was Brandy. I was like, oh man.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
She say about it, like, is she having success with it?
I think so. I think.
The silver ain't no joke either. Like, you can get clapped in that real quick too. because of its tick value. It's like $25 a tick or something like that if
Is
you
it
trade
really?
a mini. Yeah.
Mm,
Good morning.
okay, so I wonder. I mean, there's no bullish excitement, which honestly, in my opinion, is it's interesting that the bulls ain't buying this aggressively as they were earlier in the session and earlier this week. I find that very interesting that we don't see any real aggression right now. I mean, we know that we're getting a rate cut. And I'm surprised they're not running this thing up and then trying to drop it after the press conference. That's what I'm.
What?
Let me see. Let me get that first target here. We can start trailing this thing. Look at that perfect entry. First target hit. Let's see if we can get some more of these targets hit. Probably get like something like that. Oh yeah, let me look at my ES trade because I think I'm about to get my target on ES. Yeah, about to get it hit on TS. Might cheat myself if I take it at 130. Might cheat myself. Mm. Mm. I wonder if it's gonna try to reject it at the 200. We'll see. We'll see. All right. All right. So let's see if we can get this target hit right here on the Nasdaq. All right. So we got that almighty algo coming up in the next 5 minutes. Don't do that to me, Nasdaq. Don't do that to me. Don't do that. Don't do that. Hit that target, babe. There we go. We're gonna move that target at the break even. So that's a good trade right there, right there. Good trade. Good trade. Good trade. Good trade. Good
Target hit
trade.
at VWAP.
You said what?
Said I got my target hit at VWAP.
Congratulations on that.
Long from 246.
246. Oh yeah, I got in at 255. So, but good entry though. Keep on pumping. Keep on pumping. Don't drop. Don't drop till you reach the
All
top.
right. Drop till you reach the top. To the pump, don't stop.
Don't stop till you get enough. Keep on. But I mean, we'll see. I mean, we do got some liquidity in this range right here. We'll see if they'll just break out above it. But I mean, we could see pullback from this range right here because we got that liquidity from this morning. They turned around and used it as a resistance. And I mean, it does look like we'll just get another move up because I mean, we got to move up into a range, and then yeah.
I don't trust NQ pullbacks because this mess can pull all the way back to the freaking break even.
Yeah.
Yeah, above VWAP. Next level is the 23%.
Actually, let's look at that.
Come on, man.
So I'm gonna move that like underneath the 50 EMA. Shit, maybe I should add more to this damn thing.
My 23% is at, wait. Oh, that was on my other chart. Hold up. Wait a minute.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Yeah, my 23% is around 44. Of course, I'm gonna front run it a little bit.
Yeah. It's better to be safe than sorry on the Nasdaq.
But I think, honestly, I think I'll look for like 324 because I got a 200 right there. That 200 is no joke.
Yeah, that you talk about the 200 EMA or that 200%.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's no joke, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I don't know. Yeah, I was talking about this last night. I thought the VWAP was God on this chart. It's really the 200 EMA. VWAP is like probably like one of his God's disciples or some shit, his right hand man or whatever biblical creature you want to imagine VWAP is. But it's really the 200 EMA that be dictating the direction of this market.
I'll be back.
All right, bro.
Make this bro some pancakes. But yeah, I gotta
pancake it up.
I gotta trail. Yes, those are my headphones. Yeah, I got it trailing though, so if it pulls back, it'll stop out of profit.
All right, bro.
Yeah, let me know. I can still hear you. I'll still be listening.
Mm-hmm.
If it gets, let me know if it makes it past 324.
324.
If it gets up there.
All right. Don't stop till you get enough. Yeah, all we just need is a breakout from this range and we good. That's all we need is a breakout from that range and we good. All right. So I would be out this trade right now. I would be out of it. Should I take the $600? Should I take the $600? I think I should take it, but I mean, what if it comes back all the way up into this range right here? All right, so I mean, we're up $700 in this play. I mean, I don't think it drops. I mean, unless it does. You know what, man? I'm gonna stop being scared, dude. I'm gonna put this like right here. And put that right there. Because I mean, this can easily come back up to the top of this range right here. I can easily come back up. Yeah, I can easily come back up there. So you scalping? Well, hopefully the Nasdaq holds that 50 EMA. But I mean, we should kind of. I mean, I was kind of expecting the market to drop in this area. Like I said, they used this range right here to shoot it down, but I mean, it got sucked right back into this range. So we'll see. We'll see if they hold it and see if they'll keep me into this in this position. If not, if I get stopped out, I'll probably scale right back into this. Yeah. Okay. So they're buying in this range now. They're buying. We should see a breakout. We should see Smith's target at 320, 324 as soon as it breaks out and runs these stops above these highs right here. But my only concern, my only thing is that we got VWAP in the 50 EM or VWAP in the 50, VWAP in the 200 EMA kind of sloping down, but you can see them flattening out. You do see them flattening out. So, I mean, price can kind of do anything right here. Okay, so yeah, if we get a break above this, yeah, we should start seeing everything start to slope up now. All right, there goes that breakout. Yeah, Smith, if you still listening, if this thing keeps going, you should get your target hit. If you didn't get stopped out in that little pullback that just happened.
Damn it stopped me out. Dang. Ah.
Where to stop you out at? I mean, I was like, dude, he probably got stopped out in that pullback. I was hoping that it wasn't true, but yeah, the way that thing pulled back, yeah. All right, there goes some stops getting ran above that high right there. There goes some stops. So this should suck right back up until yeah, you should. I mean, it should get back up there to the 320s because it just ran those stops. And let's check my Bitcoin position. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Ooh, I love Bitcoin. I love Bitcoin. I love Bitcoin. Look at that other perfect scaling. I love this instrument. It's a bear's dream. I love it here. I love it here. I love it here. Just take off that. All right. It's a bear's paradise here. Probably, so I got what, 3 left on this. I think I'm gonna take off probably like 1 right here. Buy limit and just leave 2 to run for the rest of the week. We'll see what happens. Yeah, like 2 to run. I know you Profit is probably looking at my account right now and is like, dude, who the F is this guy? who is this guy trading Bitcoin? Like, who the hell is this guy? Um, because I want my, because I originally started this this position all the way up here. I originally started it all the way up here. So I kind of want to keep my stop up there. And I was able to scale in right here at this retest of this breaker structure and get that sell. So what I want to do is retest the bottom of this. I want to retest the bottom of that level right there. But if it does come back up and stop me out, I still want to be in my original position because I want my target all the way down here. I want my target, goddammit. All right. All right. Hmm. Okay. It's crazy. I would have been out of this by now. Okay. Um. mm, mm, mm. I mean, I don't want to get scared or nothing. I mean, this is the ES. This thing can just drop. Mm, mm, mm. Let me look at the levels on Bookmap real quick. Mm, about 35. Man, that freaking sucks, man. Mm, that sucks. Mm. All right, so about. Mm, mm, man, let me look at this real quick. Um, yeah, man, this can go all the way up to 40, man. I think I'm trading scared right now. This thing can go all the way up to 40. Okay, I'll get out at 36. I'll get out at R3. I'm targeting R3. I'm targeting R3. It can probably come all the way back up here to 40. It can probably even double top here. You know what I'm gonna do? Actually, what I'm gonna do is actually, okay, so that's a sell limit. Probably like 5. That's a sell limit. So I'll take out like 5 right here. Because like I said, this thing can probably get up to like get to 40 or something. Mm. Or probably what I should do is I should probably get out of. So I got 15. How can I do this? How can I do this? Because I mean, with ES, it's not like the Nasdaq where it's profitable to break up your position so you can get majority of it. It's not like it's a Nasdaq or nothing. Um, Okay, so what I'll do is, all right, so I'll get out of 10, or I'll get out of 11 right here, and then I'll just let the rest of it kind of run. So I got 11, get 2 right here, sell limit right here, get 2, and then a potential. Nah, this shit can get to 40, dude. Uh, I mean, I guess if it don't drop first. Mm, okay. Okay. So I'll take that off right there. I'm watching now. Watch it goes up now. Okay, so I'm in 4. I'll take 2 off right here, and then I'll take 2 off at 40 because I think, and then I think that's what a buy limit. A buy limit at 4. No stop. Yo, I appreciate that, Maui Maui. Oh, am I still? Oh yeah, I forgot about this trade. I was like, am I still in this trade? Um, mm, okay, so yeah, I should get these targets hit. I mean, I think we're gonna get a slow grind up. We're gonna probably get a slow grind up on this one. All right, so let's get that first target hit. Okay. All right, go back to the ES. Mm. Well, I think it's a buy limit. A buy limit if I'm wrong, or 4. I can just trail this up. All right, so the position is protected. The position is protected. So the only thing, I mean, obviously, if it goes and hits my buy limit at 125, at least it won't be negative. So this is a safe trade. It's a risk-free trade. Now, the only thing now is either we hit our targets up here, or actually, two sell limits. Probably front run that 40. Probably put this at 34.75. Where was that? Where's that high at? 34. Kind of front run that R3 resistance area. Kind of front run that a little bit. But this should just continue to grind up higher. There's no I don't see any areas of resistance. I mean, we could see them come back up here and try to sell the retest of that breaker structure right here. But I think that we can at least see at least 41. So I'm going to front run that last target right there. So oh yeah, my stop is in profit in this ES trade. I'm trailing this one. But on my ES and on my Nasdaq trade, did it really just dump like that and not hit my target? I'll do that. I'll leave my stop right here. I'll leave that. Yeah, because I was able to get my original position and I was able to kind of scale into this. You know, I'm just going to take this one so I can kind of pay myself in that just in case we do see a dump back down. But I'm going to take that one. All right. All right. So I got that target hit. All right. So I'm in 2 now. Let's see if we can get all the way back up here to 30 and 40 like I thought we was. All in all, 2 good trades on the Nasdaq and the ES. I mean, shit. If you caught any one of those trades, you should be done. You should be done. Now let's check on my baby Bitcoin. Damn, good thing I took that profit at that low. I mean, we did see a small little bounce, but I mean, as long as we don't trade above this high, then we're good. But good thing I took that target right there. But I'm still looking for that retest of that low right there if we get it. All right, move this up. I'll just trail this. I don't want to leave it right there though. Beautiful long off the low from the ES, man. It's a beautiful long. Beautiful long, beautiful long. Damn, I should, man. God damn it. I should have just, man. Okay, man. Next time, I gotta stop doing that shit to myself, man. I mean, I'm glad I still took profits here. I mean, that's money in the bank. I'm not gonna be mad about that. But we could see. I mean, I'm still trail this though. I'm gonna trail that. All in all, this was a great trade right here. Great trade. I'm not gonna be mad about this trade at all. It might come back and stop me out on this one, but I mean, I should expect it to come for the Bears to come back in at the bottom of this range. So what I'll do is actually, shit. Well, that's what I should have did. That's how I should have played this. That's how I should have played that. That's how I should have played it right there. I'll do that for next time instead of just having both of them trying to come off at the top of the range like that. I should have just had it. Yeah, I should have had it like that the first time. He says, "Who is this guy trailing his stop?" Price didn't hit his TP and he's taking it. That's blasphemy. And although you will never, you know what, man? What I'm gonna do is actually, I'm gonna shoot for the fences on this one, on that last target. Ain't no point having both of them come off right there. Have a nice runner target right there. Retesting that high. Probably take it off at R4. Yeah. That's a good final target right there. Yeah, that's how I'm going to play this. Honestly, I should have been out of this one already. That's 2 points. I can't do that. I mean, we got the trend indicator on our side right now. So, I mean, I should be good. All right. Damn. All right. Yeah, when we see grinding like this, this is definitely the market's trying to fight each other. This is definitely the market fighting each other. Obviously, the bears are like literally trying to pile in this and short it. And even though they're getting stopped out, they're still trying to sell this thing as it continues to go higher. Because why? Like, I mean, if you think about the psychology of what everybody's thinking about today, especially the bears coming from a bear, everybody's thinking that, oh man, Powell's this afternoon. Let's short it. Let's short it. Let's short it. But unfortunately, the market don't work that way. The market tends to do the opposite of what the crowd is doing, typically. I guess the bears are trying to get a retest. But I mean, now that I'm looking at this, let me turn this off so I can actually see the chart. I mean, now that I'm looking at this, honestly, I'm surprised that these are obviously late, inexperienced bears, obviously. But the bears already got their double bottom retest. I'm surprised that they're still trying to short this thing. I mean, you got your move down. They came back and they took out that low, and then they came back and then took it out again. So this is literally a double bottom into an area of previous support right here. So I don't know why The bears are fighting this. There's a double bottom retest into an area of support. Why are you fighting this, bears? I mean, I can understand shorting up here, but trying to short where price is literally in the middle between resistance and support, and that's never a good look. I'm looking at the bookmap chat right now, and dude, these people are fighting in there. It's so funny. Dump this scam. Dump this scam, dude. This shit is going up. This shit is not about the pump. I mean, about the dump. I mean, we could see a pullback, but I mean, it's a double bottom into support. We got the trend indicator saying that we're on the right side of the market. We're good. All right, I think I'm about to get my target. I think I got my target hit on ES. Yep, got that target hit, baby. So I'm in one. Turn this into actually, I think I had that. I think it's supposed to be a what is that? Sell stop. I think I had that wrong. It's supposed to be a sell stop. All in all, shit, good trade. We caught the ES from the bottom. I'm very proud of my ES trade. We literally caught that from the bottom. I mean, we took that original loss right here, but we definitely made up for it right here. Definitely made up for it. So let's see if we can get this stop run above this range and we can get a retest of this high. We'll see. Probably put this probably like right here at the bottom of that candle right there. Hold on, give me a second. Give me a second. Everything's good? All right. All right. So that's good. All right, that's good. That's good. We'll see. We'll just keep this this trade going. We'll see how far we can get this trade to go. All right. Let's go back to this. All right, let's see if we can get that target hit. But yeah, the Bulls and the Bears are definitely fighting. I mean, it's interesting to see that the Bears literally try to come in at this measured move right here. They literally tried to come in right here. But unfortunately for the Bears right now, we might get that dump after the session. Who knows? But I think what's going to happen today is that the market is going to continue to grind up. I think this is going to be a situation where the market is going to continue to buy the rumor of a rate cut and then sell the news of a rate cut. I think that's what we're going to see today. We'll see if that happens. We all know that the Powell pump is almighty. The only other pump that's mightier than the Powell pump is the Trump pump. That's the only one that's more powerful than the Powell pump. We didn't know how powerful the Trump pump. We thought that the Powell pump was the almighty pump, but it's not. The Trump pump is more powerful. So we'll see. We'll see what happens later on today. But what I do know is that this actually looks like, okay, it looks like Bitcoin is finding support. So I might actually have to get out of this position. Actually, might have to get out of this position. Yeah, Bitcoin could pump from here. Actually, let me cut this position. Actually, yeah, it's not gonna. This is gonna probably pump right back up to. Yeah, I'm gonna see. Okay, so I'm gonna see what happens when price gets up to like R1, S1. We could see S1 or R1 and then a dump, but actually no. No, this thing looks like it's ready to pump now on Bitcoin. Probably like S1, R1. Mm. Mm. I mean, we got the market trending down. You got this small little trend channel right here. Yeah, it looks like it's about to find support and bounce. Mm. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Keep on pumping. Keep on pumping. Keep on pumping. That's what I'm talking about. Hit that target. Okay. Damn, I should have kept my 15 contracts on. And look at that. It touched 41 exactly where I thought it was going to go. It touched 41. Okay, so we got in at, so we would have caught 20 points on 15 contracts. It touched 41. It touched it exactly. Yeah, what's up, Griff can trade? What's up? Dump this scam. Hey, hey, hey. We're all addicts, Alfred. We want to stop, we don't know how. We want to stop, we just don't know how. I wish I can quit you. Nasdaq, I wish I could quit you. I wish I could quit you. Ooh. Uh, mm. So if we caught 20 points. So if we caught the 20 points, if I kept my 15 contracts and had it all of it come off at 41, like I kind of thought that we was going to at least get to. And that would have been a $1,500 trade right here. $1,500 trade if I kept it going. Mm. Well, next time, I guess. Next time. I guess. Well, I guess what I was thinking about was yesterday. I guess I didn't want to. The same thing that happened yesterday happens today. At least get out of some of it, scale out of it as it went up. I guess I did the right thing. I guess. But I guess. I mean, I was still able to make at least $1,100. I mean, I left $400 on the table. I mean, I still got a piece of this running. So, I mean, Mm, okay. We'll just let this thing continue to run. We'll see how far it goes. Shit. Now I'm thinking that this can possibly continue to go up to 52 now. And this thing probably keep going up. Hmm. Yeah, I appreciate that gift and trade. Grift and trade. Purple tie Powell, huh? We gotta look for that purple towel, huh? Purple tie towel. Hmm. Huh. That thing is damn. I should have kept this going. Damn. I had 15 contracts on this. Ah. Okay. All right. Yeah, Nasdaq is lagging, dude. That's crazy. It still hadn't even hit my target at 22 yet. Okay. So it beat expectation. All right. So I mean, let's really measure this because we did get a deep pullback. We definitely got a deep pullback for sure. Hmm. Huh. Hmm. 52, huh? Hmm. I mean, that would go right back up into this area right here at 52 where we got that original dump from. That's yesterday's high right here. Hmm. Hmm. I guess I can't be too mad, right? I was able to break even after that loss. Was able to get my money back. Mm. Mm. And as long as the Bears just keep shorting this thing, this thing's just gonna keep shooting up. As long as I just keep selling this. Oof. Hmm. And this is a 15-minute chart, huh? Okay, so you said Alex made you a mod again. Hold on, were you not a mod, Alfred? Oh, I think I got my target here on ES. Yep, or Nasdaq. The Nasdaq, baby. All right, we just got two more targets to hit, man. I mean, all in all, this was a great trade. I mean, we started this trade all the way down here at 255. We was able to get the scale in right here. We was able to get majority of our targets hit. And all we got is 2 more to go. Today was definitely a great day. There was no way you didn't make money today. Perfect entries, perfect exits. Great trading day. So I was looking at the footprint chart. Do I still have that down here? Hmm. Uh, I mean, obviously, look at the hourly, dude. Man, you can't sit here and say that these pivot points don't work for the ES. I mean, they're on point. You just got to pick the right one. Mhm. Yeah, I definitely agree though. The the NQ is obviously lagging behind the NAS or the ES right now for whatever reason. I don't know why I did that stupid shit. All right. Anyway, well, S4 worked on the Nasdaq really good. S4 almost hit the bottom. It picked the bottom almost. Oh, that's interesting. It literally picked the bottom on S4. Damn, NQ is like that. Yo, NQ is running right now. I think I just got my targets hit. You know. So R2. I mean, if you honestly, if you use these pivot points for profit targets, and so the sell stop. Well, shit, just keep on going, baby. Just keep on going. The ES is doing the same thing. So I think I'm going to take this off at 48, 47, 48, probably R4 for this last piece of this position. I think I'll take this one off. We'll see. Let's see what happens. Because I mean, it shouldn't really push past this high without a pullback. It really shouldn't. But oh yeah, I was actually looking at this at the volume chart before I kind of got low key distracted. So let me just use this chart right here. And this is NinjaTrader's 8, a version of their footprint chart. Maybe I should just leave it like that, probably. All right. So down here at this low, and let me just make sure because I can just copy this. All right, so 15 minutes, 3 volume, show center bar, show volume, diagonal 1.5, 10. Okay. Data series, 15 minute, 3 volume, center bar, don't show that. 3.8 is probably what I'll probably do. Okay, so I'm looking at this on another screen right now, and I guess I'll give it this. We do see some trap sellers underneath this low. The sellers got really aggressive right here at this area of support. And then we saw this green candle fly up. And obviously everybody getting stopped out. And you can see that again here in this situation where they tried to come back in and sell it, they're getting stopped out. I would say that the footprint charts are kind of decent to look at, but I don't know how the hell anybody uses this to confirm anything. I mean, if you use that as a confirmation to be like, well, it broke below the low, you see the sellers trapped at an area of support, and you see this nice green candle, and then going long here at this volume profile, okay, I'll give you that. Because I guess that does work. I guess it's better than nothing is probably what I should say. It's better than not knowing what's going on, not seeing that the bears are trapped. But I mean, at the same time, where's ES at? I mean, you can kind of see it in the candle. I mean, you can kind of see that the bears tried to sell this thing. And they got trapped underneath the 21 EMA. All right, so right now I'm in a situation where, honestly, I should trail this though. I should trail this. I should trail it. I'll probably keep this like right here because I mean, they could come back in here and sell this right here. They could sell it. They could sell it. Yeah, I think the footprint chart is distracting as well. I'm gonna trail this. I'm gonna trail this right here. All in all, this was a damn good trade. Damn good trade right here. I mean, it could go up all the way to 53 though. But I wish I had one more contract on this. Okay, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. So, man, just imagine. So we caught it at 121. If we got out of all 15 of our contracts up here, hold on, let's do the math on that one. Let's do the math. I mean, I think I'm a step away from doing that though. I'm not going to have a single point of failure in my trades anymore. What I'm going to start doing is just breaking them up like I have been instead of trying to have it all come off on one area because at the end of the day, the stress ain't really worth it, in my opinion. All right, so we're out that ES trade. We was able to get back our loss plus some. So Very happy with that trade. But so 48 minus 21. So in this trade, we caught 27 points in that ES trade. 27 points. We was originally in 5 contracts. And if I held all 5 contracts to that target, it only would have been $2,000 on the ES on a 15 micro lot. Obviously, I made significantly less than that, but holding 15 contracts up into this target. Hmm. Yeah, I mean, we could see a pullback right here. We could see a pullback all the way back down to about R3-ish, probably. We could. Or this thing can just keep trending up because this trend indicator is stair stepping its way up. So that just tells me that even if I tried shorting this, every dip is going to get bought. So if we do see price come back up here, back in this area right here, it's going to get bought up. So we'll see how the market reacts. And we could see the market actually try to go for this range up here at 160 and come back up here and retest this range. We could see that. Yeah, we could see that. But let's see how they respond. I'm pretty sure the way that the market is running through this range right here, they're just running through it and they're running through it. So there's probably low liquidity in this range right here. So we'll probably get like a move back down to probably around like 34, 36 around R3. Because you can see that these clusters of volume right here, you could see price find support somewhere in this area. So I'm going to be looking for that area for a pullback to buy. We got the 21 or the 200 and VWAP sloping up to the upside. You got the 50 and the 21 sloping up. Looks like we got out of that position at the top. Hey, what's up?
How about I left my target at the 23%.
Mm-hmm.
Let's draw down on that take. So I left it at 343.
Mm-hmm.
And obviously I had gotten stopped out before my final target got hit. So it took the short at 343 basically. And now I'm up. But I'm about to close it.
Yeah, please close that shit. Please. Please close. I was about to say, please close it. Please close it. It ain't ready yet. We could see a pullback here, but it's just not ready. The bulls ain't exhausted yet. So, and if they do pull back, it's going to probably be something small. All right. That's what y'all girls do. Find a reason to cry and then start crying. That's something to cry about. Y'all just find anything to cry about. When my daughter and her mom goes on vacation, it just reminds me of how my house used to be before it was filled with females crying all the time, noisy, messy. It's like, dang, I can't stand being in a peaceful environment. And I start to cry. It's like, oh my God, it's so quiet in here. It's so quiet, so peaceful. Why did I give this up? Why did I give it up? Why? What are you looking for? Oh. All right. I'll see you later. Bye. All right. It's interesting that there's 55% of people short the ES right now. I mean, that's interesting. Top step ES traders, y'all gonna have to step y'all game up because I mean, this is a good area to short. I'm not gonna sit here and say that it's not. On a normal day, this is a pristine short right here. But the market is trending. The market is trending. The ES doesn't do that fake technical analysis crap that the Nasdaq likes to do. When the market is trending on the ES, it's just either if you miss the move, it's just better to stay away from it. I'm not saying that we won't get a dip down. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that if you're thinking that we're going to get a reversal, it's highly unlikely. It's highly unlikely to get a reversal. The most we probably get is 134, 135. Maybe VWAP in the 200 EMA. Maybe. Yeah, Griffin trade. I think it's the same thing. I mean, usually on days like this, when it's low volume, let's actually look at the volume real quick. Yeah, when the market does that, it's just one of those low. It's just using the bears as fuel to move this market up. Yeah, because I mean, I guess this would be considered low volume for the Nasdaq. We're only trading 400,000 on the Nasdaq right now. On the ES, we're only trading about 300K. So, and the minis are even worse right now. I mean, well, actually, this is actually pretty good volume for the E-mini ES. That's pretty good. That's probably why the ES is probably moving a lot smoother than the Nasdaq because we got decent volume in the ES. So that could explain why we're getting this this cleaner move on the ES, but the Nasdaq is obviously trading on lower volume than usual. I wish this average daily volume tab worked. I don't know why it don't. Actually, look at this real quick so we can kind of. Oh shit. Okay, my bad. It's like why this shit don't work. It says okay. Well, um, columns. Okay, so average daily volume, regular, average daily volume. Show. It's supposed to be visible. Yeah, I don't know why this isn't working. Hey, what's up, bro?
I guess I'm gonna have to catch the Powell pump or something, because yeah.
I mean, yeah, dude, you're not gonna. I mean, this is gonna slowly grind to the upside, and you ain't gonna catch a short. So, I mean, well, you're not gonna catch a decent short. I mean, it'll be a scalp if the market does, but as we know, the market is trending right now. It don't feel like it, but look at it, it's trending. And when the market is trending, the only way to break a trend is exhaustion. And yeah, we probably ain't gonna get that no time soon. So Were you able to catch anything though? Outside of that
Yeah,
short?
yeah, I have my original long from
Mm,
46, but that pullback came and stopped out my trail
mm,
that I had on it, so I didn't get to take it all the way to target like I wanted. See, she got past 324 like I wanted.
mm.
My final target, yeah, was sitting up here at 343.
Oh shit, damn. I just looked at Alex's stream. Dang, yo, like, dude, dude, are they really attacking Alex right now? You shouldn't have said his. I mean, hopefully he didn't give his real name. It was like, let's look for Alex. Let's look for somebody. Let's sabotage the book map. He got the Ninja Trader 8's version of book map up right now.
Yeah, see that. Wow.
Dang, they keep attacking this guy.
That stream is broke.
Yeah. Huh. That's interesting. Why they keep going after Alex like that, man? Why they going after him like that, man? Yeah, I see that, man. I see that. I mean, yeah, I see that. Well, yeah, I know. Yeah, Alex is a good guy. I mean, like I said, I think he was the first one that was offering book map. He was streaming it. And this whole time I was when Smith was using bookmap, I was like, ain't anybody trying to use that. I didn't even know the power of bookmap. And now that I do, it's like, oh shit. I can't believe I traded without it. But I'll be damned if I spend all that money that bookmap wants for its product. I'll be damned.
They do charge. It is expensive.
Like it's super expensive. It's like a bill. It's like a freaking bill. And just like Mohammed says, the orders that move this market is not showing up on bookmap. It just bookmap shows you where everybody else is at. But the markets that move this order is not on bookmap.
Oh, I didn't know that, Alfred. You saw me on there? I was probably talking junk or something to somebody. Telling them that they were wrong.
You're wrong. Get over it.
Oh, it's not going there. Stop it.
Get some help. Yo,
Oh,
I saw your Instagram post that you posted on about the scammer trying to say that one of your mails
yeah.
was sent. I got like tell me why as soon as
Yeah.
after I seen that on Instagram, I got that same message and I almost did the same thing. Stop it.
Yeah. I just replied with that meme. my one of my homeboys, he went way far into it. He did it worse. Like somebody was trying to talk to them like they knew him or something.
Hmm.
And he went and posted all this crazy stuff, sent them all this crazy stuff. And they were like, okay, I can't talk to you if you're gonna be like this. He sent them some like old fat dudes, hairy butt, and like all this other stuff. I was like, yo, you tripping. Shoot, all I told them was to get some help. Stop trying to scam people out of their money.
Yo, these scammers be thinking like, dude, they be taking it personal when you don't let them scam them. when you don't let them scam you. They be like, what the fuck?
Yeah. Oh, but yeah, he went in on them so much to the point that they blocked him. They blocked him. I was like, damn. That was so funny. Well, they gonna learn.
Yep. I mean, you know you made it when you get scam emails. When you start getting them phishing emails, that's when you know you made it in life. I didn't start getting phishing emails until I made it. I was like, well, damn, was I broke this whole time? I was not on these people's radar this whole time? And then all of a sudden I started getting phishing emails and scams and shit. I was like, what? I had this scammer try to talking about, hey, you want to come over? I just got this bluefin tuna or something like that, and we're gonna grill. Hey, you should come over. And I was like, what? I said wrong number. And then it was like, oh, okay. But hey, if you still want to come over, you can. I was like, dude, shut the fuck up. Like, you don't know who the fuck I am. Hey, let me come over there, shit. I'm gonna come over there. Shit. What the fuck? You gonna invite me? I said it was a wrong fucking number. You gonna invite me to come over for some bluefin tuna or whatever the fuck they were saying? Like, all right, I'm gonna come over. Scope the place out. Shit. You don't know me. And these scammers are just so stupid. You said what?
He said, I'll be there in 10.
Yep. Said you want to act like you know me so bad, I'm gonna be there. I'll be there.
They do be walling out, man.
Yeah.
And that ain't the first time I got that post office message. I'm like, dude, does this even work? Like, how do you? I guess it'll probably work on somebody older.
Yeah, it does,
don't know no
unfortunately.
better.
Yeah, it does. I mean, these scammers really target, that's why you got to protect our grandmas and grandpas out there, especially the grandmas. Because unfortunately, I've watched a lot of these scam videos, and unfortunately, they target them because, unfortunately, obviously, as we get older, we become a burden. And unfortunately, when you become a burden, people don't want to talk to you anymore. And these scammers have figured out that these old people will pay just to have that sense of somebody wanting to talk to them, somebody needing them, somebody. That's why they're always like asking them for help, asking them, talking about, yeah, your grandson or granddaughter is in trouble. We need your help. We need you to go to the bank and deposit $10,000 into the account to save them. It's unfortunate, but that's the reality. I actually know somebody personally that fell for one of the romance scams. She knew it was a scam. She did, but because all they was doing was having her send them money, but it just makes them feel good because it makes them feel that somebody cares about them, because the scammers like calling them baby, calling them sweetie, talking to them. It's like, to the scammer, you're paying for our service of actually paying attention to you. And I think that's kind of, yeah. So, yeah.
Yep.
And I told him, I was like, dude, it's a romance scam. I was like, it's kind of obvious, but I mean, it is obvious. You don't know this person. You don't know this person. He's overseas. They're talking about like the scammer was getting the daughter to call or I guess somebody playing the daughter to call her mom. Like, she got them to kind of get them to make them feel a sense of want and need. And the scammer got the female to call. Like, hey, mom, I'm gonna need some money and blah, 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 blah. And, she fell for that stupid shit. And I was like, ugh, whatever, dude. If that's what you want, this, you know, it's a scam at this point. But it got really dangerous too. And that's why I don't have my kids around certain people, because as I was being told about how she was getting scammed, like she was literally about to kick all her kids out the house. Like she still had like kids in her house and stuff like that. And she was about to kick all of them out to move this scammer, quote unquote, into the house. I mean, they're never going to move in, But it was just the fact that she was going to do it. And I was like, you know what? I know who to not allow my kids to be around, because if you're willing to do that to your own kids, then I can only imagine what you would do around my kids. And if it's my kids, it's going to be a fucking problem. So, uh, yeah. Well, yeah, these scammers they definitely, they know who to attack. I did watch this one video where,
Target,
yeah,
target
sorry.
filled.
Shit, you got your target filled where my stop was.
Oh, I didn't know you were long. I had to throw that. I had to
Uh,
throw in another. I had to take another short. I had to.
no. I was that was just a trail. That was a trail. I already got majority of the profits of this trade.
My next one's that VWAP.
Yeah, I think that's probably a good one. Yeah, that's probably good. All right, so let's look at the ES. We can probably get like a re-entry on the ES if I see what I want to see. We can probably get the S1 on the Nasdaq.
Boom, target filled. All right, I'm out. So all in all, wow, wow,
Yeah, they do, man. They actually do,
wow.
unfortunately. So let's see if we can get this. Good thing we got out at 48 though on the ES. I'm still looking for that re-entry around 34, 35. I'm glad you got your shirt, bro. He's still gonna trade power or what?
I don't. I'll probably hop in some because I don't need to trade it.
Uh-huh.
I'll take it in the sim though.
Maybe that's probably what I should have did, but I mean, we'll do that next time. Damn, look at that. Oh, I love Bitcoin. I love Bitcoin. I love it. I love Bitcoin.
Why? What's it doing? I ain't look at it at
Still
all.
dumping. Man, the Bulls. Yeah, I don't know if he was on earlier, but last night I ran into the stream just strolling, and he was trading Bitcoin futures, and he was trying to long. And I was like, yo, no wonder why this shit keeps dropping. No
He's
wonder
trying to
why
lock
this
it.
shit keeps dropping. Yeah, he was trying to long Bitcoin
Well,
futures.
if I was looking at it and I saw that it was like 107 or something
Mm-hmm.
um, on the future side, and I think can't remember. I think spot price was at 104, 105 or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
I was like, yeah, this is probably gonna be the top for now.
Yeah,
Loading
you.
up them shorts would be a good thing.
Mm-hmm.
Get paid.
Yep. The only thing you need to do is short Bitcoin. Don't even think about longing it. Don't think about ever longing this shit, because it don't work. Long in Bitcoin don't work.
Uh,
It don't
but
work.
then nice if you held your original short, dude, you'd be
Oh no,
you
I
were at
did.
the top nearly, weren't you?
Yeah, I was at the top. I got out a majority of my so I cut some of the position right here. I got out a majority of it right here. I think I was only in one left, and I re-shorted up here, and with three more, with five. I took two off right here. I'm gonna take one more right there, and I'm gonna let the rest of this run. So I think we're gonna probably get that 35 target hit. I'll probably put it at 36 actually. Probably put it at 36. Yeah, that's good right there. Yeah, I put that right there. And get a retest of that low. And then I'm gonna let the rest of this run.
You gonna what's that target down there at 101?
Oh, that's my final runner right there. All right, so I guess I could probably put it like right here. It's probably gonna. No, I think that 101 target. I think that was to fill this gap. Yeah, right here, to fill that gap right there. Because Bitcoin left this big giant ass gap, and I was like, dude, it's gonna try to fill this. So that's why I'm targeting all the way down here. All right, so ES is at an area where we can potentially see a bounce. Let's see. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna get into
Man,
another.
they got so much more of that short.
Mm-hmm. Are you talking about on
VWAP
the
is only
Nasdaq?
like half the move. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But it's the smart thing to do because normally
Yeah, they
they
do
be
use a.
tripping around VWAP. You never, yeah, like never know if they're gonna buy it off of there or continue it down.
We'll see.
Same thing if it's trying to approach VWAP from being under it. Most of the time they try to sell VWAP if you in the longs. Try to get this quick scalp.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's not a be it right. Okay,
Mm.
okay. Scout, quick scout. Come on.
Let's
No.
see. Let's see. I mean, like I said, this actually might just go to one. I mean, I doubt that we come all the way. I mean, do we come back all the way down here? I mean, do we? Mm. You know what?
City.
Mm.
Oh, they're prepping for what time is it? They're probably gonna prep this for Powell. I bet you it pumps right back up,
Yeah, of course.
all
Yeah,
the way
that's
back to the
probably.
highs, makes new highs.
Mm. Make sure I'm in the right account. Mm. This could be the wrong decision.
Try to kind of buy at R1.
Mm. We'll see. Because it could come back all the way down here to 26. Okay, so what I'll do is actually we'll see how we'll see the reaction at R1. We'll put the buy stop down here. It says your maximum position has been met. I don't know how. I don't know why. Oh yeah. Mm,
Kind of see the difference in the candles. If you look left from when we had the lows and we pumped up, it was kind of a grind. There was some red candles mixed in. But now with this dump, it's just all red.
yeah,
There's
that's
no. I feel like it's a balance. When or where are the bulls gonna step in? I guess it's a good question.
yeah. I mean, we really think about this. I mean, we had this massive move up, a rebalance this area right here. This is people taking their profits. Okay. I'll take the bet. I'll take this bet. I'll take this at 27.75. I'll take it. If I see something at R1, I'll probably take R1. I'll take the bet because this can probably we can most likely see price find support here and then probably come back up into this range. If not, I'll put like maybe a 3 point stop on this one, 3 or 4 point stop, or it can bounce at R1 and be nasty. It could do that.
Fill my order at 250. That sucks. It touched 250, didn't it? It did, but it didn't fill my order.
Yeah.
Wow.
You trying to go for a long?
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
Mm.
He bought.
He bought? Dump it.
Oh, you want your 250 order? All right, I'm gonna give you a 250 order. Dump it.
Damn, I should have took this sell. Now that I'm looking at it, I was like, well, I probably should have just took it, but I'm just tired of getting faked out by this stupid market with this stupid price action. Stupid Kamala, with your tired of this price action too. No. Please, just fill me and do that, please.
Wow, that's so nasty. Come on, man. Like,
Dude, I think you're good, bro. I think don't chase it. Don't chase it. If you still got your order at 50, it'll probably touch it. Come back and touch it. And my S3 is at 253 right now. I mean, the question is, does the bulls come back in here? That's the
yeah,
question.
they might not want to.
I mean, we got
They might
like what, 2 hours away from Powell now? 2 or 3 hours now?
Yeah.
You know what? I think should I? Should I? Yeah, I'm thinking rotation as well. Yeah, that's why I'm thinking like I mean, all right, so if I get in at 27, that low is at like 19, that's 10 points. I won't be able to do that. If I get in at 27, uh man, well, if I don't get in before price goes back up into this range, I'm gonna exit out this position. I'm gonna exit out because this thing touched 130 and we can probably see a move back up to the top of this range. If it does that, then I'm gonna have to get out of this. Or either remove my limit. Okay. Well, I should have trusted man, I don't know why I don't trust these pivot points when they be the truth. I really don't. It's like I look at these pivot points and be like, nah, I'm not gonna trust it. Well, I gotta cut this. I gotta remove this order because that was the move. We'll see. We'll see what happens. If it touches this range, I gotta take it off. Nasdaq already shot back up to the range. Were you able to get into it or?
Yeah. Got
Shit.
into it when you said don't chase it. Oh, that's funny. But I
Yeah.
was like,
Oh, go ahead. Shit.
yeah. Well, it didn't give me the cue on the 5 minute that pattern that I'm used to seeing, but it did on the 2K tick chart.
Yeah. Okay. Well, all right. I missed it. Unfortunately, I missed it. Yeah. If it touches that range, I missed it. Shit. I mean, like I said, that's a good thing about the ES. I mean, you can't really lie to yourself about the ES, man. You really can't. You can't lie to yourself and say that, oh yeah, this is gonna happen. It's not. The ES is a God-fearing woman. She goes to church every Sunday. She ain't about that manipulation. Yeah, I gotta cut this. So R1 was the move. R1 literally was the move. Okay. All right. So I guess what I'm probably going to start doing, if I have an area where I want to get in at and I see one of these pivot points, I'm going to probably try to front run the pivot point. I'm gonna probably use it like that. Yeah, I can't. This thing is touching the range. I'm about to cut this. I'm about to cut that position, unfortunately, because it's not going to come back down and shoot back up. If it comes back down, it's going to go down further. So I missed it. I missed it. Yeah. Yes, it's definitely less random. Yeah, there we go. Yep. So my original thesis was right. Uh, I flipped it because I thought that it was going to try to want to come down here, but no, my original thesis was right, as it usually is. I allow my yeah, I allow my opinions of the market instead of actually just looking at the structure, do the trading. Because I mean, obviously, in hindsight, now that I'm looking at it, shit, look at that good, beautiful trade that I missed. Fuck. Uh, whatever, dude. Try not to be mad about it. But yeah, I guess right there was that low that they used. And I will be 2 points away from my target right now. Or 2 ticks away from my target right now. All right. Like I said, I ain't gonna trip about it. Whatever. I ain't gonna trip. There it goes. Target hit. Target filled. Target filled. Shit. All right. So let's see if they reject this at 41. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. You see that bullshit right there? Yo, no way. No freaking way, dude. No way. No. Oh my God. No way. It missed my target by 400 points before it bounced. Damn. Ah man, it missed my target. Why, Bitcoin? Why? Why? Why did you miss me like that? Damn. Damn. All right. All right. So we would have got that target filled if I just kept it right there. So this thing bounced up about 10 points. So we got a 10-point bounce right here. We'll see if they try to go for 41 before. I mean, if they come back in at 41 and we see a rejection, then we should expect another leg down. We should expect another leg down if they come in at 41. 40, 41. You can expect another leg down, but this footprint chart is where is it at? Like I said, I'm looking at it on another screen, and again, I mean, that's interesting. That's interesting again. That's interesting. Hmm. Mm. Yeah, I don't know, man. Well, okay, so um, I mean, I guess, I guess 32. I mean, that's where they kind of came in at right there at 32. I mean, I guess. I mean, as long as I guess, man. Mm. I mean, I want footprint charts to work. I want to be able to add this to my strategy with the ES. I would love to be able to like 100% confirm my trades, but I mean, I don't know, man. I guess I have to do some more education about this because I'm looking at this crap and I'm like, yo. I mean, I can just look at the candle and kind of tell what's going on. I don't necessarily need the footprint or nothing. Mm. Yo, congratulations on that, Alfred. Yep. Get that payout, man. Get that payout. Okay, so they got to they got to 39.75 so far. They got the 39. Oh, I think they got to 140. Let me look at that real quick. I think they got to 140 on this candle. Yep, they got the 140. So we should see some bears try to come in here as we do now. We should see some bears. Let's actually look at that on the footprint chart before I got 6 minutes. I'm almost out of time. Let's look at that. You can, I mean, all right. So I'm going to speak to what uh these footprint chart gurus speak to. That's how I'm going to speak. Well, when you see these zeros at the tops and bottoms, that's supposed to be, I guess, an unfinished market or something like that. I mean, we do see a lot of selling aggression in these candles, and then we do see, I guess, that zero at the bottom of this, and then we see these bears right here getting trapped, and then you see a couple of buy imbalances as it goes up. So I guess how I'm going to start using that, if I see buy imbalances as I go up, then that kind of tells me I'm on the right side of the market. I think what these footprint charts, if I think I should use these for context, not necessarily for confirmation, just for context. If I see a bunch of sell imbalances, then I should be on the right side of the market. And once I see the sell imbalances drying up, and I start to see the bulls come in with buy imbalances, then maybe I should consider possibly getting out of my position. Because I mean, we had literally almost no sell imbalances as it went up. And then once it got into this area of resistance, you can see that now, they're selling it, but then they flipped around and they bought it and they're buying it now. You're starting to see a lot more buy imbalances and stuff like that. Mm. So I'm going to start using this for context, not necessarily for confirmation. Yeah. Yeah. I definitely agree. I definitely agree, man. I definitely agree. I mean, the candles kind of tell you everything you need to know, like just like how Muhammad said, the candles tell you everything you need to know. The EMAs are definitely helpful into that as well. That's why I keep the EMAs on my chart and the volume profile. And I guess these like, dude, I mean, these pivot points, they're definitely legit, man. I mean, they've definitely been helpful. I just, for whatever reason, just I don't trust them. I feel like maybe it's a trap because it's too easy. Like, wow, I know this is all mathematically calculated. I get that. But it's like, man, is it really going to be that easy if I just get in at R1 and take profit at R2 or R3 or even possibly R4? Is it that easy? I think that's what gets in the way a lot of the times. That is just too easy. But all right. Like I said, I'm trying not going to be angry about this. We talked about this before it even happened. And that if we did see a dip, it was not going to be a reversal. It was going to be for buyers to get right back into this as it tries to make its way back up. I think this thing is trying to get to 160. What's frustrating is that I talk about it and then when it comes time to execute on my plan, I just don't. That's what's frustrating about this. But whatever.
What is it about the sim that's just so undefeated?
No emotion. No emotion to cloud your judgment. Dude, Griff can trade. I don't know. Because I think a big part of it was I was looking for 34. And when it ran past 34, that was a big disconnect. Maybe I was probably telling myself I was wrong. Because I was looking for 34 and then it ran past 34. Or actually, well, yeah, I was looking around 34, yeah. 34, 32. And it ran past it. And I was waiting for it to come to 26 because I thought that's where it was going to, but nope, it bounced at R1. So even if I got in at 34, I would have been in 4 points of drawdown. I still would have been in this trade. 34. I still would have been in it, but I'll be up 6 points. But Smith, I guess I only got a few minutes. I guess we can, but you made a comment about the sim. You've been undefeated in the sim lately as well with your Nasdaq trades?
Yeah.
Mm.
I'm 100% so far today.
Yep.
Not taking a loss in the sim.
Yep. Yeah, I definitely do agree, Tilt. I definitely do agree. If everybody else is using these pivot points, why wouldn't it work? Why wouldn't it work? But you thinking about getting into another eval, or are you just gonna spend some more time in the sim?
I'm probably gonna spend more time in sim. Especially, yeah, I'll see what J Powell does.
Yeah. I'm gonna from now on, all my Nasdaq trades will be in the sim. Because like I said before I get off, the Nasdaq clouds my judgment in other instruments. I don't need that right now. I don't. So just trading it in the sim where there's no emotions attached to it and just looking how it plays out, that's been very helpful. Less cortisol flowing through me because, I'm like, oh shit, well, what if I got in too early? What if this is a fake double top and it's going to stop me out and then dump down? All that crap that comes with the NASDAQ. In the sim, I don't have to worry about none of that. I don't have to be fearful. The ES, I know that if I get into an area of support, area of resistance, stay away from the middle unless I'm buying a deep pullback to retest the high, then I should be okay. And Bitcoin, as long as I don't go long on her, I should be okay with Bitcoin as well. So as long as I don't go long, I'll let the bulls go long for me, and I'll just short the pops. But all right, guys, this is it. I gotta hurry up and jump into this meeting. I'll definitely be streaming the FOMC conference later on today. So I'll see you guys then. And with that said,
all right,
peace out, everybody.
later, peace.